How you doing, guys? This is Steve Van Order with DIY Auto Tune, AMP EFI, and today we're going to go over some of our Black Friday deals. Deal number one we have is going to be the amped microsquirt. When you buy an amped microsquirt this Black Friday, you are going to get the harness for free with that microsquirt purchase. Amped microsquirt, if you're unfamiliar, it's upgraded injector drivers. It's also got dip switches on the inside, make your installation a little easier. The harness we make here in-house. It's updated, labeled, and colored wire. The tune cable has been updated to an M12 connection, a little bit more secure than the old headphone jack that was used. Every amped microsquirt goes through an entire QA procedure after they've been modified, so you can feel confident that everything's going to work when you get it. So our second deal is the MS3 Pro Mini. Now the MS3 Pro Mini was released earlier this year. This is a small form factor ECU, 35 pins, built-in map sensor, very nice ECU. The deal this year, for this Black Friday, you buy the MS3 Pro Mini and you're going to get the entire package along with it. You're going to get the harness, tune cable, RS-232 adapter, everything you need to wire and get connected to your project. Nice thing about the Mini is it also comes with a copy of Tuner Studio, so you do get a license with it this Black Friday for the deal. This one's going to save you $75. All right, third item in our lineup for Black Friday deals. We've recently released the Evo Plus and the Evo Plus HC, and for this Black Friday you can purchase either of these ECUs and you are going to get the harnesses for free. You're going to save $250 this Black Friday on this deal. Deal number 4. Now this is for all of our Miata lovers out there. This Black Friday you can get MS3 Pro plug and play for your Miata, EFI drop-in digital dash for your Miata, and a MaxSpark kit to go with your Miata to finish up your project. This is a great deal. This takes care of everything you could need: ECU, MaxSpark kit, dash. If you take advantage of this combo for Black Friday, you're going to save $550. Now, our big deal for Black Friday. This Black Friday, for everyone out there doing LS swaps, you can get the new Evo Plus, LS plug and play drop-on harness of your choice if you're unfamiliar with our LS harness. This is basically meant to go from empty race car to completely wired in one shot. Not only does it have all the necessary connections for a drop-on installation on your LS project, this has a nice Eaton relay fuse panel in it. Pretty much wire your car in one go. There's very little else you'll need if you're going to be starting a project from scratch with this kit. You're also going to get a MaxSpark kit for your LS. It's going to come with the harnesses, the coil brackets, the coils, and some really nice spark plug wires for your LS, and a dash. So this is a big deal. You're going to save $1,000 on this package. Evo Plus, harness, dash, MaxSpark kit. This is big, big savings. If you don't want a universal style dash and you'd like something, say you've got a LS going into a Fox body race car, simply reach out to us and we can get the appropriate dash for your swap if we have one that's drop in and plug and play. So this Black Friday, take advantage of the big deals that we have going on. These deals end December 1st.